We will see in this class how to insert texts into our projects, with complementary information. With the file available in this class open, let's go. In the Annotate tab we find the Text panel, which contains all the commands to work with texts in AutoCAD. We will start by dealing with the command multi-line text, which inserts text composed of multiple lines. We activate the command and set a text box in the graphic area. See that once we have completed the definition of this box, the Text Editor tab opens. In it we find all the commands for formatting the text that will be inserted, such as justification, insertion of symbols, style and font size, among other options. We will enter the information here. For cold areas, we will use the marble coating. See that, through this control, we can modify the size of the text box and diagram in columns. Once we have finished editing the text, we click this option to confirm the editing and insertion. Another command for entering text is single line, accessed by clicking this arrow. In this command, we do not open a text box, we simply click on the graphic area and type the desired text. Here we also don't have the text editing and configuration options present in the Text Editor tab. Let's see how the command works. We activate and click on the graphic area to set the insertion point of the text. Now we must set the height of the text and, in our case, we keep the suggested height, confirming with an enter. Next, we set the angle of rotation of the text, which in our case will be 0, and we confirm with an enter. Finally, we enter the text, which here will be kitchen. To insert a new line of text, press enter. In our case, in the second row we type the kitchen area, which is 10 square meters. To confirm the insertion of the text, press enter twice. To modify or create a text style, we must click this arrow in the title bar of the panel. In the box that opens, to modify an existing style, simply select the desired style and modify its information here. To create a new style, we click on New. In the box that opens, we enter the name of the new style and confirm the dialog box. In these fields we choose the font that will be used and its style. In this other field we define whether the text will be annotated and what its size will be. Finally, here we define some effects, such as displaying upside down, backwards or vertically aligned characters. We can also define the distance between the characters and their angle of inclination. And so we finished our class, where we learned to work with texts. We saw the differences between the two insertion commands, the facilities each offers, and how to create and edit text styles.